Nah, have fun, man.
Thank you. You too. I'm more sketched out about the oil than
Yeah, exactly. It's good to feel where that is, yeah.
Oh, he already lost his sticker.
Oh, wow. Sounds good, man. Huh. Grip level's good.
Oh, here it's got a... Oh, it's got a gone oil.
Okay.
Oh my god, no. Holy shit. So different than the last session.
Yeah, good, at least you had that to compare it to, but yeah, this is now very different.
It's actually pretty slippery. That went really quick. I even felt a bit of ABS on that one.
Oh wow, okay. Whoops. Yeah, when you don't expect it, then you think, oh, I'm dealing with something different now.
Yeah, feel that.
Yeah, I feel that I definitely felt, yeah.
Insanely slippery.
That's probably spread out all over the track now.
Oh my god. Thank god this car is like impossible to oversteer.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
Funny. Well, that's, I guess...
I put really wide tire. Look at the understeer, it's insane.
Wow. Mine's worse.
I might actually... I never drive rain lines on the track, but I might try it. That was insane, man.
Yeah, I'm not even sure, because I don't do it so often, I'm not really sure what the wet line is, actually.
It's just anywhere besides the dry line.
Right, yeah, exactly. That's all that I know, indeed, yeah.
I'm gonna try it, actually.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, that's much better.
Oh, nice, okay, that's good.
I think because we rubbered it up already today. Whoa, the understeer.
Yeah, that was clearly understeer, yeah. Oh, and now it's definitely raining.
Keep going. Drag racing.
Nice, man. It's always seeing where the how the brakes are on a wet lap, or the tires, I mean.
To avoid the curves.
Nicely carry the momentum through, super. Nice, yep.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, I thought so. That was a good one.
Gets it too.
Yeah. You hear him absolutely struggling for traction there. Conditions.
Great rooster tail.
Yeah, nice.
Gotta show the nose.
Yeah, absolutely. I let them know it's there. Show them the eggs.
Man, I've done a lot of rain sessions, but this is the most that's actually raining during.
Yeah, it's really raining now, yeah. Makes for great footage, man. Jeez.
Oh my god. Why are you filming?
Yeah, at least it's on camera. Oh, there's still some grip. That's good.
Yeah.
Let me see if this is aimed your right, by the way. Yeah, nice. I see what you're doing there. That's good. You gain a lot of time here. That's really good.
Okay, you can have it. You can have it.
Yeah, good one.
Man, the loss in lateral grip is insane.
I'm really impressed with how much grip there is still, considering how wet it is.
Yeah, it's the tires.
Yeah, great. Oh, the right choice.
But I think we also have very good tarmac here.
Yeah, it's fresh. Fresh-ish.
Rain absorbing.
Yeah, exactly. It goes through or so.
Nice, nice.
It's getting more interesting this way.
Yeah, the traffic is hard and I don't like doing it here.
No, indeed. Wow, okay. Let's see if this guy sees us. No, he does not, no.
Yeah, I was expecting that.
No, that was well done, yeah. Hello.
Nice and wide.
Hi, Arnout. Okay, this one's more aware, I think. Yeah, exactly, yeah. Oh, this is some touring class stuff. Let's go.
That's funny. He still hasn't seen me or what?
I think he's seen you now. Yeah. Or he's taking an awful line then in that case. Nice.
Not even gonna go to the outside there.
No, I get you completely, yeah. There we go, there's some ABS.
Yeah. The tires are better as well now.
Nice.
Thank God for ABS. Bad entry.
This is nice, a bit more space now also to play.
I think at least by now that oil should be washed away.
I think so, yeah, that must help. Or spread out.
Oh my God.
You're definitely catching up.
Can't even see my braking zone.
Yeah. Lol, these guys are nearly stopping.
Come on.
Let's go. The S3 is quite quick.
Well, the sun is back out, but
What's that?
I see the sun coming out.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Fingers crossed that it does something. Wow, man.
Bro, the rooster tail.
Wow.
I can't see my braking zone.
No, exactly. Yeah, your reference point is completely gone.
Like sometimes you can kind of tell still, but there was nothing.
No, there was no data available.
You really do a learn the most of these sections though.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, the paint. Wow.
No, there's some oversteer.
Holy shit.
That makes a difference, wow.
Somebody's told me that once before. The paint is really slippery.
Yeah, oh, wow.
Now I found out.
Yeah, we see it, yeah. Now we really feel it.
I've had to brake for him.
Yeah, for the braking, it's really surprisingly good.
V2 Audi.
Yes, please. Nice. Let's see. Yeah, there's definitely grip here. Yeah. That's a good session together with him.
I was just gonna say, yeah. He's got good things. And he's very careful on the overtakes. I kind of like that.
That's nice. Yeah, exactly.
I hate this. Well, I love this corner, but it's so hard.
Yeah, I get you. Yeah.
Use the curve for rotation.
Yeah, funny. If you get it just right, indeed. Yeah. More braking you could not do there. I gotta film this.
Gonna be braking on that oil spill, yeah.
Yep.
Shit.
Yep, I feel it for sure.
That oil is not gone. It might just be the rubber as well. Yeah, he enters really low.
Yeah, that costs him later on, yeah. I didn't even see that BMW until later.
Okay, which way is he gonna get me?
There we go. I don't even think that he knew. I saw a rainbow, so that's good luck.
Nice. In the sky, not on the track, hopefully.
Oh yeah, good point, yeah. I barely feel it, man. You're off the throttle at the right time, but I wish my car would have that much front end grip in the wet.
Yeah, the nose of a Porsche is insane.
Woo.
Yeah, he's sliding too, I think.
Not sure what kind of tires he's on, actually. I'm kind of curious. Maybe semi-slicks as well.
Down though, yeah.
Yeah, indeed, yeah. Wow, man.
I'm not gonna...
No, I get you, yeah, there's no need, there's just no info. And yeah, brake a bit later and we're right back to where we were.
Yep.
Like around the outside.
Skip the paint.
Yep. Nice. saw that, yeah. The puddle's an apex marker, yeah. Oh, so is this guy. You good?
I think it's stopped raining now.
That would be nice.
Seems a lot less.
Yeah, this is just spray, I think, indeed.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like her. Oh yeah, hey, nice. Man, thank you. This was really good.
That was fun, yeah.
I don't think you've seen it now.
No.
Considering how careful he was with everything else, yeah, this one's very clear at least. Goud.